Welcome to Edubench Lite School Management tutorial. In the last session of the video, we have seen how to add information related to academic year, the branch name, and how to add users, different types of users who are going to use the software. In this session of the video, we'll be seeing how to add the branch details and how to add all the standards like you have in the school, the first standard, UKG standard, LKG, and related class standards, and how to add the subsections or subsections in that standards, and how you'll be backing up your database, the entire data, backing up it and keeping it, and how to restore it. Now, as you have remembered, we have initially given a school name in the branch name category. The school name that was given was Edubench High School. You can see the branch details when as you click on the branch tab over here. Edubench High School. As you can see, we have just given Edubench High School the name of the school and an enrollment number that will be used by the system. Now, in order to provide the other information related to this, you need to click on this. You can see over here, you can even edit the school name. If you have entered a wrong name previously, you can change it over here and update it. An enrollment number, but please try not to change a lot in the enrollment number, as it will be used by the software. Now the contact person, the concerned person, the higher authority of the school who is to be contacted, this information, you can see this information would be reflected on the recipient side, on the bill receipt that would be printed by the software. The address of this branch will be reflected only if you fill in this column in the receipts that would be printed via this software. As you can see, the free receipt that this software is gonna generate in the future videos, and expenses, accounts, which all different kinds of receipts that the software is capable to generate. So if you want the address of the school to be reflected on in those receipts, you need to provide it over here. I'm providing the name of the higher authority over here, or the name of the person who will be using the entire software. It depends on your compatibility, it depends on your usage. The concerned contact number, the email ID, and finally the address. Address of the school. Once done with this, you will be updating. You can see you have successfully updated it. Now you can see the information related to school. So this is how you add your branch details, school details over here, so that the software can use those details. Now let us see how you will be providing your school standard sections details in this. Click on the standard sections over here. You can see you'll have two tabs over here. One is the search tab and one is the add tab. If you have already information present, you can search to see the standards like information related to first class, second class, whatever. If you don't have anything, you need to add it, like the standard name. You'll have LKG for an example. And if the standard, once you add it, you can see the standard name over here. And if that standard has subsections like you have first A, first B, first C, or LKG A, LKG B, according to the information that is there in your school, you need to provide it over here. I'm adding few more standards like first standard, first class, and suppose the first class has few sections like a section A, and first class has a section B, and it has a section C. You need to add it like this. Some more, so like you have a fifth class, and fifth class has some sections like fifth A. So this is how you are, in this way you are providing the information related to the sections the school has, all the standard in the sections the school is having. You'll be providing it like this. Now the search, in the search part you can search, like you can provide the section standards, search the standards, like you have these standards, these are available in your school. Your school will be providing all these classes, or you can even see the subsections in each of it. This is how you see the information related to standard and the respective sections in that. So now you have seen how to add the branch and how to add the standard and the sections of it. Now the administrator is all these, all what are the things we have till now seen all comes under the administrator part of the software. Now there is two more tabs over there or here, like backup, database tab, and a restore. Once you click the backup, what all data you have in the software, backup of it, you can take it either on your computer or anywhere on the pen drives or external storage. You can keep some name like Educom High School, Edu Lite High School database, and you can give the date so as to remember when you have taken the backup of your data. Likewise, once done with this, if you want to restore the backup of the data, like you have lost some data, if you want to restore the data back, you can use the same thing and open it. So the data which you have lost, you can restore it back using the file which for the backup you have taken. You can use it to restore the database. So this is how, these are some of the functions, the basic functions that are required by the administrator. And once done with once you proceed with all the stuff, you can even see the graphs, weekly fees connection, sales in the preceding videos. Then the next videos will be seeing the other few tabs, how to use them in order to organize your data of the school. Thank you for now. I will be meeting in the next session. Thank you.